5 plus 5 gives us 10, then 10 multiplied by 2 gives us 20, in the end, 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that has both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 20 divided by 5 plus 5 times 2. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate inside the parentheses. 5 plus 5 gives us 10, and the expression becomes 20 divided by 10 times 2. In this expression, there is both division and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we move from left to right and perform whichever operation we encounter first. In this expression, if we move from left to right, we reach division first, so we perform the division first and then the multiplication. 20 divided by 10 gives us 2, and in the end, 2 times 2 gives us 4, which is our final answer.